most famous physical therapist on the internet.
Hi folks, I'm Bob Shaw, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical therapist.
We are the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
Today we're going to show you how to get rid of neck pain from sleeping wrong. This is something that just happened to somebody I live with.
Oh, well, wonderful.
She doesn't like when I mention her name, so by the way, if you're new to our channel, please take a second to subscribe to us. We provide videos how to stay healthy, fit, pain-free, and we upload every day. And that's what we're doing right now. We're staying in the basement away from possible coronavirus problems. You can go to also bobandbrad.com, go to the giveaway section because we're always giving something away. We're giving a sleep ovation table that has a UV light on it that can help clean things. What? It's not a table?
Sleep ovation?
Oh, not sleep ovation. Flexaspod.
Flexaspod.
Sorry about Flexaspod. I have sleep ovation on the mind. All right. You can also go to Instagram and Twitter for a 1-minute version of our program, or you go to Facebook and it'll be pinned to the top of the page as far as the contest is concerned.
Excellent job.
So yes, approximately a week ago, this person I live with woke up with a very stiff neck, and I don't want to tell her how it happened, but she was sleeping on the couch with her head forward in bad posture for a long period of time. So immediately what we had her do is we just had her take a rolled towel, and Brad's going to demonstrate here. And what he did, or what she did, is actually worked on trying to gently start doing some cervical or neck extensions. Brad, do you want to use a chair, or what do you want to do?
Yeah, let's use a chair
Okay.
so I can go.
I'm going to go ahead and handle the camera here. Again, we don't have a camera person right now. We're on our own.
We can do it, Bob. This is the way we used to do it.
That's right.
A few
This
years
is how we
ago.
did it from the beginning.
The old days coming back.
Yeah.
So I'm going to take the towel roll wrapped up. We have some tape around here. That's the red stripes, and that's to keep it so it doesn't fall apart.
Yeah, you don't necessarily need that, but
No. There you go. All right. So what did you ever do first, Bob?
well, first, if she tried it without the towel, it just didn't work. It was too painful.
Yeah. So you're going.
Yeah, it was. It was very stiff. So we just started having her take the towel, and I had her put some counter pressure against the neck.
So she can pull
Pull it
this
that way, yep.
gently.
And just started working on extensions. Now you can have your back up against the chair too, especially if you have a decent chair with a decent back.
Now, did you have her hold here, or a little bit?
A little bit of both.
Yep.
Whatever felt comfortable. That whatever was letting her extend back. That's what we were doing.
So typically, you'll go back a little farther. It feels better with the support, and it may take a few repetitions or even more, throughout the day before it starts to really go back. And the pain goes down with the range of motion as it increases. Typically,
it immediately helped some,
Mm-hmm.
and then over the course of the next day or two, it went away. But in addition to that, what you can also try is you can try some rotations. Brad, do you want to go ahead and try those?
Sure.
You're going to go back up to the bed? Okay.
All right. So we're just going to keep good posture, not slouched. Bring the shoulders back here, and we're going to use this, right, Bob?
Yeah. So let's say Brad has trouble turning to the left, his left.
Oh.
Yeah, it just doesn't want to go. Brad's going to show you now. You can pull down on the towel on the left. That gets pulled down. Yep. And we usually cross hands over.
Yeah.
So he puts the right hand on the left towel and the left hand on the right towel. So then he pulls you, kind of pull on your mic a little bit there, Brad. But
sorry. Yeah. What am I going to do, Bob? Take the mic off?
Go the other way.
Oh, okay.
So we'll just show the opposite way now. He's going to go turn to the right now. So you're going to pull down on the right one, and there he goes to the left. Or right to the right.
Notice I keep the towel up here so it goes across my jawbone and not your neck.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Really critical thing.
It just gives nice support for the neck when trying to do this, and it works real well. If it hurts to rotate that way, you might actually work on rotating the other way in order to, and then go back to the other one eventually.
Right.
It seems like that really helps.
Yep.
All right, I'm going to come back, Brad.
Oh, sure. Come on.
I'm going to try to flip this around so I can see. All right, so the last thing you can try is if you're still stiff and you're lacking some side bending, what we want you to do with that one is actually do a chin tuck and then go to that side. Don't just go to that side, chin tuck, and go to that side. Yeah, I can see Brad showing it from behind there. Chin tuck, that side. If you're going to go the other direction, chin tuck, then this direction.
So just so
Chin
you
tuck,
guys can
this
tell,
way.
I'm back behind the table maintaining my 6 feet
That's
distance.
right. I can't reach him. He's back there. But I don't know. I guess we both were not really exposed as far as breath wise, but we were exposed as far as touching surfaces possibly, right?
Yeah, that potential exists.
Yeah. So we've been trying to use disinfectant and wash our hands and use gloves and all that, and we're out of there now. So hopefully,
Right. Yep.
So everybody, please stay safe out there. We'll all get through this together. We just got to use some ingenuity and have some faith.
Yep. And just relax, do what you're supposed to do, and read a book.
All right. Thanks for watching.